Hey guys, how's it going? So just out here with the Dange, and went to the junkyard earlier today. Got myself a new Fender from Mercedes, which you'll see why. But we're gonna do a quick unboxing slash reveal. So I've been kind of stashing parts, but I finally got a big one today, and something else is coming soon. So I guess I'll tell you what's going on. So right here, we got a full set M635 for the OM606 Mercedes. So we're going super turbo diesel. I have a pump coming from Diesel Pump UK, and yeah, we should be able to make some serious power on this thing. So I'm pretty excited for it. There's the turbo. I'll set down on something. Yeah, so there it is. Pretty big, you know. There's my hand. It's a lot smaller than the one on the BMW, but it's also for a lot smaller motor. So figured that's pretty cool. You guys would enjoy seeing that. But today, what we're going to do is, rather than ruin my nice color match Fender for the eventual part out of that car, I got this Fender for $20, and we're going to fix the rust spots so that I can paint it, and then I'm going to put a dump through the side of the Fender for right off the turbo. It's just going to be like a 3-inch dump. It'll probably roll coal down the side of the car, but whatever. I'm also going to do a kind of funny drawing or painting on the Fender, but that'll be a surprise for you guys. So we got that whole set turbo, and then I also have these gauges, which these are some Auber Industries gauges, something like that, and it's boost on one side, EGT on the other. You can set alarms in them. They give a really bright digital readout. They're super accurate and use nice quality probes and stuff. Got the pigtail for the pressure. Here's a pressure sensor, and this whole setup was about $150. Well, no, it's more like $180. But normally you'd be spending more than that on just an EGT gauge. So it's a pretty good way to go, especially if you don't want kind of tacky round gauges. Like this will look a lot more at place in a W210 Mercedes than would like an autometer gauge, or especially some of the diesel ones, which look like you're going to a rave. They like do RGB strobes and shit like that. So you can keep it simple, stupid. Just gonna do like a simple LED readout and put this cube somewhere in the dash for the time. So now that you know what's up, this should go together pretty quickly, but it'll be awesome. I'll have that fast DD diesel, so pretty cool. But for now, we're gonna get to working on that Fender. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is take this flapper disc, and I'm gonna kind of grind away all these rust spots, get them clean so that they can be bonded in fiberglass and stuff. So I'm gonna get going on that. Alright, well, so that's all done. I was going to try and take off more paint because I'm going to have to paint this anyways. But as you can see, I opened up the rust there, opened up the rust on the other side, and now I can Bondo glass the back. Okay, so now that I sanded that down, this is what I got. So I'm going to take some Bondo filler now, and I should just be able to fill in the spots right there. And once those are both filled in, then I will have a good looking Fender again, and I can paint it, but I'm not going to show you the paint because that's a surprise. I probably won't show you that step on the Bondo either. I'm just going to make it, put it on the Fender, and then sand it down to look good, but I will show you the final product before I paint it. Just because it's dark now, so it's going to be hard to film things from here on out. Alright, so the front fender is all done. It's all ready to get painted. As you can see, I have just my fix right there, no more hole. And no more hole in the lower corner either. That's all nice and smooth and looks good. So now I can just paint it, and I'll show you guys how I'm going to paint it once it's done, because it's going to be kind of funny. And yeah, so that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and catch me on the next video. It'll probably be something good.